Our customers are the lifeblood of our business, so when they give us a glowing review, we love telling everybody about it, and that's because we're focused on giving each customer a 5-star experience. Let me share what one of our customers had to say about us.
Wow, what a real gem this restaurant is. My wife and I were in Gold Country and asked where the best place was to celebrate our anniversary, and several people recommended Cruzco's. The food was outstanding. Appetizers, salads, entrees, all were just as we liked them. The service was just perfect. Servers and busboys were there when we needed them, but not in our face for our anniversary dinner. And the value was tremendous. For this food, we'd expect to pay at least 20% more, and the wine markup was very low by restaurant standards. We'll be back for sure.
We want to add you to our list of happy customers the best way we know how, by providing you with incredible service. Come and see us today. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.